As parents, it's our responsibility to teach our children to identify potentially unsafe situations and people. Did you know that 1 in 10 children will be sexually abused before they turn 18? The first step is to create an environment where your child feels comfortable discussing anything with you. Encourage questions and listen actively. Teach your child about body language cues that might indicate discomfort or dishonesty. Crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, or invading personal space are just a few examples. Explain the importance of trusting their gut feelings. If something or someone doesn't feel right, they should know it's okay to distance themselves. Differentiate between secrets that are okay, surprises, and those that are not, keeping uncomfortable or harmful situations hidden. This will help them understand the difference between safe and unsafe secrets. Help your child recognize manipulation tactics like excessive flattery, guilt-tripping, or pressure to do something against their will. This will empower them to identify and avoid potentially dangerous situations. Teach your child about online privacy, not sharing personal information, and how to identify potential online threats. This is especially important as children spend more time online than ever before. Engage in role-playing scenarios to help your child practice responding to uncomfortable situations assertively. This will help them feel more confident and prepared in real-life situations. Help your child understand who the trusted adults in their life are. These are the people they can turn to when they feel uneasy or unsafe. Explain that not all strangers are dangerous, but they should never go anywhere with a stranger without your permission. This will help them understand the concept of stranger danger. Encourage active listening so they can better understand what someone is saying, especially if it involves their safety. This will help them pick up on important cues that could help them stay safe. Teach problem-solving skills so they know how to handle situations where they feel uncomfortable. This will help them feel more in control and empowered. Emphasize the importance of personal boundaries and that it's okay to say no when something makes them uncomfortable. This will help them feel more confident and assertive. Encourage them to observe their surroundings and be aware of people who might be watching them or making them uncomfortable. This will help them stay alert and safe. Boost their self-esteem so they feel empowered to speak up and protect themselves. This will help them feel more confident and assertive in potentially dangerous situations. Share age-appropriate real-life stories or news articles that highlight situations where individuals recognized danger and took appropriate action. This will help them understand the importance of staying alert and taking action when they feel unsafe. Remember, teaching this topic is an ongoing process. Regularly revisit these points and encourage open conversations about safety.